Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing this wedding guest and engagement makeup look. You can wear it for someone's wedding or for your engagement as well. There is no hard and fast rule of using the same makeup products. You can use whatever suits your skin type. All the products detail will be mentioned in the description box, so you can check it out from there. But before starting the video, do subscribe to my channel. I post reviews, DIYs and tutorials, so stay connected by subscribing. Make sure you have a clean and toned face before starting any makeup process. Here I am applying a moisturizer, and use whatever moisturizer suits your skin type. Since it is a winter makeup, so I am using a moisturizer that is used for dry skin. Now here I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Peach Corrector to cancel out the darkness around my eyes. You can directly use a concealer, or if you have a lot of darkness then you can go for a corrector like this. So I left the concealer to get set for a while, and during that time I am doing my eyebrow, and for that I am using Lakme eyebrow pencil in the shade black, starting off by drawing the exact shape of my eyebrow and then filling in the gaps between. Apply the eyebrow pencil or any eyebrow product little by little, so you can know when you have to stop applying the product and your eyebrows does not look like a painted eyebrow. After this I am just brushing the eyebrow so that all the color is set and mixed in. So here I am using an eyeshadow. It is mix of grey and brown color by Moda Cosmetics. And then I'm brushing it as well so that it gets mixed. So now here I'm blending the corrector that I've applied earlier. So now I'm applying a concealer. It is Avon True Match Concealer in the shade Light. I'm clearing out any extra eyebrow product near my eyes and giving my eyebrows a very nice and perfect shape. I will be using the same concealer all over my eyes as a base for my eyeshadow. Here I am using a flat brush to clear out any excess eyebrow product and make a very sharp line. Doing the same for the upper side of eyebrows as well. So after blending the concealer, here I am using Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder to set the concealer. So here I will be using this brown shade as my transition shade, and I will apply it till I am happy with the color and the pigmentation. Now I am using the Nykaa Glamour Eye Pencil in the shade Jade Jinx. It is a green color, moreover teal type of shade. I'm just applying it till the half of my eyelid, and for the rest half I'll be blending it and stretching the color. Using a blending brush, I'm blending the green color, and I'm not applying it over my crease line, like it will be just below my crease line. Now I will be using this green color on top of my eyelid. Now I am using a black eyeshadow by Swiss Beauty, and using a pencil brush I am applying it very lightly, making a very slight V on the outer corner of my eyes. and blending it with the same brush. Now I'm blending it using a blending brush. To make the black more intense, I'm applying the black eyeshadow again. To add some glitter, I'm using a white glitter eyeshadow from the Nicka K glitter eyeshadow palette, and above this white glitter I will be applying the same green eyeshadow to give it that green color. Further, I will be blending it so that there is no harsh line. Dusting off any excess fallout of the eyeshadow, and using a wet wipe I am clearing the under eye area and giving my eyeshadow a nice edge. So now I am applying Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer all over my face and making sure that they are evenly spread under my eyes so that there's a smooth application. Now I am using the LA Girl concealer to hide any imperfections on my face. Now blending everything, and at the last I will be blending the under eye part. So I've done one side of the eye, and now I'm using Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation on the rest of my face. Since it is a matte foundation, I will be working in parts and I will be blending it immediate after the application. As it is a winter makeup look, so I'm layering a little more product for my base. Otherwise, I would have been using just 25 to 30% of the products. So I've applied the same A1 True Match concealer under my eyes in an inverted triangle, and now I'm blending it. I've applied it just on the side of my edges so that it gives the edge a more clear and sharp look. Using the same banana powder by Makeup Revolution to set the under eye. Now I'm applying the same Nykaa Glamour Eye pencil in the shade Jade Jinx below my lash line and joining it to the eyeshadow so that it looks in the continuation. I'm leaving the inner part of my eyes because I will be applying a highlighter over there. Now I'm using a black eyeshadow with a pencil brush to smudge the green color and make it more matched to the eyeshadow of my upper eyelid. Now setting the whole face with a very light coat of compact. For setting the face, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Compact. As I've used all the matte products, but still if you are in a lot of light and all that, so there are chances that your makeup can melt, so do set it well. As an eyeliner, I'm using the Nykaa eyembold kajal and I'm applying it with a lip brush. It is actually a lip brush which I use as an eyeliner brush. Here I'm applying a very thin line of eyeliner and I will be making a very small wing, but if you want you can increase the length of the wing as per your choice. Using the same kajal, I am applying it on my upper and lower waterline. To contour my face, I am using the Bharat and Doris cream foundation. As my face is round, so I am applying the contour more above the hollows of my cheeks, like just below the cheekbones. But if you have a flat face or a thin face, then you can just apply the contour on hollows of your cheeks. Now I am blending the contour using a beauty blender. Make sure you blend the contour really well so that it does not look like a patch. Using the A1 True Match concealer, I'm highlighting the highest points of my face, like the bridge of my nose, around my mouth, below my contour, so that it looks more sharp, and on the temples, and just blending everything well so that it looks all in together. While contouring your nose, make sure you connect it with the lower part of your eyebrows so that it looks in connection. And to set the contour, I'm using the Maybelline Master Contour palette and I'm using the contour shade. For my blush, I'm using Lakme Absolute Illuminating Blush and I'm using all the shades, mixing all them together and applying it. This is my favorite blush among all what I've used till now. To highlight the inner corners, I'm using the Baked Highlighter by Makeup Revolution. Using the same highlighter to highlight the arch of the eyebrows. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express Mascara and I'm applying it on both upper and lower lashes. If you want, you can use false eyelashes, but I have not used. Using the same highlighter by Makeup Revolution, I am highlighting the rest part of my face, like the bridge of my nose, my cheekbones, cupid's bow. Now blending it with my fingers. For lipstick, I will be using two colors. This one is by Coloressence. It is the matte lipstick in the shade Muse, and over this I will be using Bella Voste lip gloss. I don't remember the shade, I will mention it in the description box. It is a very nice coffee color. At the last, I am applying the foundation on my neck area. Now setting everything with the setting spray, and here is the final look.